called Mishima. So what this is it is a way to inlay slip into a carved surface. So you can draw lines, you can use your pen tool, just make sure if you have any crumbly bits that you get those out. You can also use carving tools, which will remove a little more material. It's really up to you. You can carve out small sections, like that's fine. And then once you're done carving, clean up any crumbly bits, because otherwise they're going to be there permanently. You're just going to coat the surface with slip, and you want to make sure that the slip gets down into all of the crevices and carvings that you did. If you don't, this is not going to work very well for you. I'm just going to completely coat the surface, and you may have to do more than one coat. That's fine. Just coat it enough so that everything is covered and you've got slip in all of your carving. Then you're going to set this aside and let it dry a little bit, and then you are going to take your metal scraper and you're just going to scrape the top surface of this. Don't dig down too much. This is a technique that works best when your clay is sort of towards leather hard, but you're going to slowly scrape away the top surface, and what you're going to be left with is an inlaid slip surface. And if it smudges, you probably did this when your clay is a little too wet, or your slip needs to dry a little longer. I'm going to try to focus in on this. And as you can see, it's smudging a little bit on mine, so I probably did this a little too fast. And when the surface is a little bit too wet yet, let me try this one and see if that does better. There we go. That's a little better. I'm still kind of smudging it, so it is something you have to be very careful about that. So let it dry for a good like 20 minutes. And this is something to be done at a firmer stage of the clay.